Today, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on Facebook. Quick and easy, so let's get started. First off, why might you want to change your birthday? Maybe you entered it incorrectly or you just want to keep your age private. Whatever the reason, I've got you covered. Start by opening the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to the Facebook website on your computer. Once you're logged in, let's move on. Tap on your profile picture or name to go to your profile page. Now look for the About section on the mobile app. You have to scroll down a little bit to find it. Now in the About section, scroll down to find Contact and Basic Information. Here you'll see your birthday listed. Tap on it to open and you'll have the option to edit your birth date. Now you can change your birthday. Just pick a new date from the calendar. Once you've selected it, make sure to set the privacy settings for who can see your birthday. You can choose options like public, friends, or only me. You can choose like this. After you've chosen, simply click on done. And that's it, your birthday has been successfully updated. Just a quick note, Facebook limits how often you can change your birthday, so be sure it's correct before saving. You might have to wait a certain period before making another change. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your birthday on Facebook.